This is a prosthetic arm that has a B-Bionic hand that we've set up with MyoPlus technology. Let me show you how it works. So this is a below elbow prosthetic. So you're gonna see the elbow is gonna be right here, and you're gonna have little sensors right in the socket that will react to muscle movements, therefore moving the hands. But we gotta plug it in because this bad boy needs to be charged up. Plug it in, you're gonna get your magnetic charger that you get from Ottobock. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna tap it right here, it's magnetic. You're gonna hear the beep, and then you're gonna have these little indicator lights. This is gonna tell you the battery percentage and how long it's gonna take to charge. Once charged up, battery will last you all day. But let's wait a few minutes, let it charge up. I'll show you how this works. Once charged up, you're gonna hit this to turn it on, and then you're gonna move it like so by hitting different sensors inside the prosthetic. You'll be able to move it. Stay tuned for next week's video where we're actually gonna go and deliver this arm to the patient with our clinician. It's a video you're not gonna wanna miss, so stay tuned for that.